Let's see if I get attacked. Here, Mama. Let's see if she gets up. What you think? Something? Not sure about that. Look. I know it's getting dark. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay. I know it's your job to sit here and not eat. Here, peck me. There you go. There. Oh, look at that. Here. Yeah, here you go. You know. Here's some more back there. How many you got? I don't think you've been out since the hurricane, huh? That one's in your bowl. There they go. Everybody's eating. That's right. Do what Mama's doing. Call them out. I'm going to back up and let you eat, okay? Oh, there comes another one. There's 5. How cute. Get Mom. I hope Daddy doesn't scare Carly. She's tough as nails, huh? It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. How many more you got under there? Can I see? Don't. Come on, hop up. Oh my goodness. There's 2. See if you'll move to get it. Go get it. I want to see how many's under there. It's like, Go get them. Are you going to look for it instead of going after the bowl? Well, here, I'll give you the bowl back. I'm not that mean.